Hey, it's Bren with Pioneer Mountain Homestead, where we embrace everything farm and forest. Today I want to introduce the latest members of the farm, our 3 little pigs. They are all female. Yes, we are now, I guess, officially pig farmers. So we're just starting with the 3, just to kind of get our toes wet, or maybe we should say boots muddy. They came from a local breeder, and we got them, they were about 2 to 3 months old. We plan to raise them up to market weight, which will be about 240 to 250 pounds. Now these 3 little girls, they're already spoken for. We have people that are purchasing them, but if everything goes well, we do expect to do this on a regular basis. So if you're interested, send us an email or check our website for regular updates. We'll let you know what we're doing. And just enjoy some of the pictures of the little pigs. Please like and subscribe to our videos, and make it a great day.